Hi friends, the objective of making this video is not that center has freezed dearness allowance for 18 months, how much government is going to save from this and how much state government is going to save from this, how this fund will be utilized for COVID management. My point is a bit different. Objective is not to criticize any individual or body or organization or anyone in such. My view is entirely based on current scenario and weeks and months ahead. Now we all agree that economy was slowing down. Whether it kicked or not, can't say, but it was definitely slowing down for a number of months. Because of coronavirus, the economy has almost come to standstill. So now the essential things are available. That is because we had enough stocks. That doesn't mean that we were producing anything. As far except for the farming, in fact, we have not produced anything. So government has done a good job by allowing the farmers to reap the harvest. Number one, that's a good thing. Agree and support the ideology, the step action taken that Indian allowance has been freezed. But my point is, we all agree that Corona war is going to be a long drawn strategy. The political parties, the government, intellectuals, bureaucrats, those at very senior positions in corporate sector and public sector units and in society at large have now the responsibility to lead the country. We should all strategize together and go ahead. This freezing of DA will not solve the purpose, that's for sure. So we need to take number of steps. This is, I will say, one step taken if we are yet to take another 100 steps. Opening a lockdown is not the only solution, or keeping it locked down is also not the solution. The solution lies in many other things. First of all, we must strategize the corona war. The war cannot be won without the motivation. Since I am a doctor myself, so in that case, we cannot fight the war if the doctors, nurses are demoralized. The ordinance brought by the government is not enough. Even after the ordinance, we have seen number of things happening, and there has been no slowdown at all. Healthcare workers are being mishandled. So ordinance has done nothing. Number one. With respect to corona warfare, if you freeze the DA, it will demotivate the doctors and nurses who are working in government sector. As of now, being a doctor myself and whatever information I have, 60%, 60 to 70% of the war, corona war, is being managed by the government doctors and nurses. For 30 to 40% of the cases are being handled by the private hospitals or those doctors doing private practice. But the nutshell is, the doctors and nurses, whether they're in government sector or private sector, we must motivate them. We must not decrease their salary at all. That's a very sincere and serious advice. Number one, Odisha government has given 4 months salary to doctors and nurses in advance. That's the information I have. Haryana government has doubled the salaries of doctors and nurses. That information I have. In Goa, government of Goa has increased the salaries of doctors and nurses at the rate of 20% of the basic, which is a good motivation. So these are the information that I have. Now, the serious advice is not at all to decrease the salaries of doctors and nurses. This is the prime thing. Now, what other steps should be taken to fight the coronavirus? And that is, after money, or equally important with money, is the safety of the doctors and nurses. If you will not provide them personal protective equipments, if you will not provide them a good surrounding, a safe surrounding, how they will work? Many doctors and nurses are away from their families. They also want to sit at home. So my advice is, simply freezing the DA will not bring any kitty to the government treasury. So those government employees who are not involved in coronavirus war at all, their salary should be decreased by 50% in totality. I've heard that Kerala government will now onward give salary only for 20 days. So they are already deducting the one third of the salary, that is 33%. And government should plan it right now. That's more important. The leaders I already mentioned of various sectors and society at large should take a concrete step, strategize, and do a planning till March 2021, because this war is going to be long. So we should almost plan things not only from medical point of view but also financially. So our goal should be, plan how much money you will need, since the government is not going to get any taxes. So much of the India is green. So the industry, I'm sure, will start picking up after May 3rd. Some will start working, but then we'll be losing on taxes, since the government employees, whether they are in state government or union government or local bodies, they are supporting staff. They are not productive staff. They are not producing anything. They are the support staff. So no recruitment should be done by the government. Number one, those which are already in the government, I'm not asking them to, that they should be kicked out. They should be reallocated in other departments of the government. Those who volunteer themselves can be involved in corona warfare. They can be involved in law and order, or those who fight on the maintaining like civil obedience, like civil defense. So government staff cannot take the place of doctor and nurses, because you need number of years to become a doctor and nurses. I'm not saying that, but they can help the doctors and nurses in contact tracing and maintaining certain order in the society, as we know. So what I'm saying is, in totality, the government staff should be reallocated. Those not fighting coronavirus, their salaries can be slashed to an extent of 50%. And thereafter, the government should also do the planning now with regard to the resources where they are going to get the taxes. Like, some industries can be started, there is no doubt about it. India is a service class economy, so service industry almost contributes to from minimum 35% to 45%. So our economy is basically now, as of 2020, we are service based economy. So the government is going to get larger chunk of its taxes from the service industry. So the government should take care that areas in the country which have industries which are service oriented, they should start working. But we also agree the service industry will not be able to pick up unless some retail kind of sale happens. So e-commerce can be encouraged, online deliveries at home can be encouraged. Now apart from essential things, some non-essential things can be delivered at home. Retail sector can be started with hit and trial in green zones of the country. Now even some industries can be started, like those industries which are outside the cities, they can be started. Those who have got good land area, those who are spread across a vast area, there the staff can maintain self distancing. Meanwhile, portable cabins or dormitories can be made so that the staff who enters the industry can remain there for at least 2 weeks, because we doctors are also doing the same thing. We are working for 14 days in the hospital in various shifts, then we go to a hostel or a hotel, stay there for 14 days, then we go home for 7 days. So these are the cycles: 14 days working, 14 days in quarantine, sort of. So wherein if there is any pickup in the disease, you can make it out, then you can mix up with the family for next another 7 days. So that is how we manage. So even the industry can manage like this. So we can talk in length, but this is what I mean to say is the government should cut down on its expenses. It should plan up till March 2021. Those doctors and nurses, especially, their salaries should not be freezed. If government can encourage them, that's fine, but do not decrease their salaries. Other government employees who are not fighting coronavirus, their salaries can be slashed to an extent of 50%. No recruitment anymore. Let's plan for a long time so that even people are aware how they have to plan till March 2021. So in April you freeze the DA, then you come in May and then you say now I'm decreasing salary by 10%, then you come in June, then you say you are decreasing salary by another 20%. So it should not be on monthly basis. Right now you should plan up till March 2021. That's my message.